tonight. And Harbins got bumped out.
I'm so grateful cause I can say that I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment a blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I receive what I return. I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment a blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I return.
It off the nose, but with the APR I don't feel like I have to do that at all now, so I don't know
what it was like to not know love, but now I've returned.
Like the GT couldn't do that.
Sublet it, so like why does it?
You alright? Yeah.
Said you had a fall.
It looked like you were like this on the ground.